To install new firmware onto the Switch Pad controller, you must have a working Windows PC, a Switch Pad controller, a USB Type-C to USB Type-A wire, and a thin hard object like a needle or a paper clip. You will need to download the latest firmware update on your computer. Here we have it pre-downloaded and ready on the desktop. Run the firmware update program, then connect the switch pad to the computer. Plug the A side of the wire into the computer. Then connect the cable to the controller located at the top of the device. Let the computer install any necessary drivers automatically when you connect the controller. Some of the text on the firmware program will gray itself out if you have successfully connected the controller to the computer. With one hand, firmly press and hold the left analog stick and the right key on the directional pad down like so. Then turn the controller around, and with the other hand press the reset key by inserting your needle or paper clip into the slot found here. The firmware updating software should then prompt you to update the software. Simply click Update and let the software update your controller. The controller is ready to play. Just remember to resync the controller back into the Nintendo Switch after a firmware update.